Hello, my name is Bruce Terrio, and I created the Trailer Doctor. This is like having a remote control truck, basically.
So the short answer is we didn't have boxes like this. You know, there may have been some things that came along the way that were trying to get to this level, but they weren't streamlined. They were early stages. One of your technicians that could have been doing something else in the shop was actually having to be physically in the truck, listening to whoever was out back here, directing signals to him. As I mentioned earlier, with all the noises going on, air guns in the shop, you know, he may have not got that clear direction of putting the right turn signal on. He may have put the left, so
Or applying the brakes.
or applying the brakes when he shouldn't have been. So
the driver just backs the trailer in the garage and the mechanic goes to work.
he can go to work at his own pace, and he controls the remote control to activate whatever function he wants at that particular time.
And all this being done with just one man.
All this being done with one man.
The first procedure is to apply or send air into the trailer, which is this button, the red one, air supply. So I'm going to press that. The air is building up in the air tanks of the trailer, and when there's enough air, the brakes will release on all the wheels. What I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the brakes just like the same thing as you would be pressing the brake pedal in the trailer. So apply that. Driver's side blinker over here. I'll press that. And now I'll do the passenger side.
What do you need to make this box work?
Your air supply would go in here on this one, and it's self-regulated. You don't have to put an inline air regulator. It's regulated at 125 pounds. And then it's a 110 volt plug-in here on this end.
And then, of course, if he's got a problem, electrical problem or a short, I believe you have something in there that'll help if he does have a short.
This box is designed to have its actual electronic overload system. This buzzer will come on when there is an overload, a short, and it is done electronically, which means that you could leave it on as long as you want that function with a short in it without melting any wires. So, and also when you do discover where your short is, it'll immediately stop buzzing. There. So I found the short. They take my box and plug it into a trailer to make sure that it passes everything, and they go through 120 trailers a week.
Using that box?
Yeah.
Amazing. After using one of these things too, when the trailer, you're done with the trailer, the technician can really feel comfortable about the job that he's done.